In this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to roblox.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, click on to log in, and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, and then what you want to do is click onto the Roblox icon, so this icon here, and what it should do is bring up a menu with the option to redeem Roblox codes. So all you want to do is give that a click. It's going to take you to a screen like this. Then what you can do is enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code in the box here. So you would just go ahead and enter your code into this box. Tick the box to acknowledge that you're at least 18 years of age. And of course, if you want to read through the terms of use and things like that, you've got the links on here. And once you're happy with everything, just come down and click the redeem button. After doing that, that's going to successfully redeem your Roblox code. And that is how to redeem codes in Roblox. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.